ほいで最後は、ねるねるねるね。ねるねるねるね。ねるねるねるね。じゃないか。知らんけど。とりあえず、ねるねるねるね。もう、
Hey guys, what's good? Thanks for tuning in to yet another episode of, you know it, Yankee in Japan, an American Yankee in the land of the rising sun.
今日も見てくれてありがとう。Yankee in Japan のあっという間にですよ。
Before we get started, as always, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell that goes ring-a-ding-ding. Make sure you are plugged in to all of the great content, I hope is great, that I put out on this channel. And I hope to see you guys in future videos too.
So guys, I've been living in Japan for about 6 years. Well, actually about 6 and change. And there's all kinds of crazy, interesting, delicious, sometimes not so delicious Japanese food that I've tried. But one thing I haven't tried yet in all of my 6 years is Japanese kids snacks. They're so colorful and so interesting. And today, for the first time, on camera, I will be trying out Japanese kids snacks. じゃあ、わし今日買ったのは、お絵かきグミランド。お絵かきグミランド Yes! お絵かきグミランド It's a cute little dolphin on there. Alright. もうちょっと難しそう。これはちょっとハイレベルかな。わしはできるかな ?2 番は、つかめる実験。不思議玉。The mysterious ball. Okay. The mystery ball. Alright. Next. なるなるグミの実なるなるって何知らん。まあ知らんけど、とりあえずなるなるグミの実を買った。Alright. おいで最後は、ねるねるねるね。ねるねるねるね。ねるねるねるねじゃないか。知らんけど。とりあえず、ねるねるねるねも買った。まあ、今日全部食べることじゃないけ。まあ、1個2個ぐらいはええかな。I think I'm really feeling the なるなるグミの実。It's pretty cute, right? And the 難しさ level is only 2. So, you see that little star there? This is the difficulty level.Alright, so not too difficult. It's only difficulty level 2. So I think we got enough time. もう時間は大丈夫だと思うね。もう難しさは2だけじゃけ。まあ、朝飯前じゃろやってみよう。Let's try it out. Okay, I have opened the なるなるグミの実。なるなるグミの実のパッケージを開けたばかりです。おー、すごいこれ。なんじゃこりゃ。もう、すごいね。プラモ一緒。プラモ？プラスチックモデルと一緒じゃないか。なんか、今からガンダムを作るぜ、みたいな感じね。ガンダム。ガンダムのグミのガンダム。じゃあまずは説明書。I have to read the instructions. Okay. First. 作り方。Way of making. テーブルの上をきれいに拭いて、手を洗ってから作ろう。So, make sure your table is nice and clean. Wash your hands.Wash your hands. And after that, you can start making the Naru Naru Gumi no Mi. So, let's clean the table. はい、せーの。はい、きれいになったね。
Alright guys, let's read off the list of ingredients. First,
用意するもの things to prepare.
Mizu. I got my mizu. That's water in Japanese. Next, we need the
gumi no ki. 次、グミの木。The gummy tree.
One gummy tree.
はい、次、tray.
We need a tray.
This is where all the magic happens, baby. Without this tray, you ain't getting no naru naru gumi no mi.
Alright, next,
ジュースの素。So this is the stuff to make the actual juice. Right now, it's still in powder form. はい、次、グミの素。This is the stuff to make the gumi. Okay, gumi is just gummy in English. はい、最後、トッピング。Toppings. Alright, we are ready to go. はい、step 1、グミの木を作ろうぜ。Let's make the gummy tree. Okay. So we have to take this baby apart to make the gummy tree. So let's check it out.
よし、完了いたしました。Alright guys, I'm done with the gumi tree. It looks like that. For some reason, this reminds me of the Mario tubes, you know, the green ones that they always go down the game. Pretty interesting. I don't think we have anything like this in America. なんかこういう面白いお菓子なんか作るやつアメリカになかなかないかな。Okay, step 2. グミの実を作ろう。Let's make the gummy fruit. Alright guys, so kind of embarrassed to admit this, but I put the gumi no ki, the gummy tree, together wrong. Apparently, you're supposed to go from large pieces to small pieces. There's supposed to be some type of gradient. みんな残念ながらこのグミの木の作り方わしはちょっと間違えた。×形のやつね、この X の形のやつは小さいから大きいまでこういう作り方だったけど、私はそれ読まずにもう適当に作ってもう全部同じサイズだと思っちゃってもう適当に作っちゃったけ、こんな感じ。まあいいんちゃう。It's my first time. Give me a break. Alright, so doesn't quite look the same as the package, right? But it never does. もうこれとパッケージはまあ一緒というわけでもないけど、まあイメージはね一緒というわけでもないけど、味は変わらんじゃろ。じゃあいただきます。That's interesting. なんか食感面白いね。なんかグミと言ったら if you say the word like gummy, right? You're thinking pretty firm. なんか結構なんかはったり感じね。なんかぐんにゃぐんにゃぐんにゃ。これはそうじゃなくてどっちか言うとネバネバ感じかな。納豆と同じではないけどなんかそんなしっかりした食感じゃないね。意外となんか柔らかい感じ。味は子供っぽいね。まあでもまあ not bad. 味は悪くないな。On a scale of 1 to 10, can I recommend Naru Naru Gumi no Mi? Well, the taste isn't bad, but I'm not so much a fan of the texture. I expected kind of a firmer texture. 私はさ、まあ、1から10まで、もしね、まあ、評価としたら、まあ、1から一番最低、で、10は一番最強な感じ。どんなランキングといえば、まあ、私的に、I would give it a 5. It's okay. It's not bad, but I'm not so much a fan of the taste. Well, I take that back, because the cool thing about this snack is you put it together. So considering the fact that this is something you assemble, it's also something that kids can learn. Like they learn how to put things together. You know, it's like mixing different ingredients. It's like a very, very elementary style of cooking. With all things considered, I would say this is probably a 6. It's not really that much of a jump from 5.But the fact that you can put this together, I think is pretty cool. So, この組み合わせることは、まあ結構かっこよくて、まあちっちゃい子は組み合わせることはあんまり上手でもないけ、まあ、もっと難しい組み合わせ、の準備と言ったら、もうこれはかなと思って、相当面白いね。ただ食感ね、あんまり好きじゃない。ちょっと苦手。味は、まあまあ、not bad. So yeah.I'm giving Naru Naru Gumi no Mi a ranking of 6. A ranking of 6 on the Kodomo snack scale, the Japanese Kodomo snack scale, also known as the JKSS. Just made it up. It's copyrighted. Don't take my stuff. Alright, so next time I'll be looking at another Japanese snack, and I think all of this stuff is like, you have to put it together, so it's pretty interesting. So if you tried any interesting, weird, or just kind of mysterious or strange Japanese snacks or Japanese food, definitely leave a comment in the comment section, and stay tuned for another episode of trying out the wonderful world of Japanese children's snacks. 今日も見てくれてありがとう。Yankee in Japan のあっという間にでした。